Hey everyone, Vic here. I'm just making this quick video to show you a London close trade that we took today on the New Zealand US dollar pair. Really easy setup, great result. Hope you enjoy the video. I show everything, it's all shown in the video here what we did. I'm showing you more of these just so that you can realize that it's not a one-off or a fluke. These things are like really consistently profitable. All right, so, and if you like the video, please remember to hit the like button so we can expose more people to this style of trading, if this is the kind of trading that they like to do. It's not for everybody, but if it is, we'd like to introduce them to it. And of course, you can subscribe to our channel by hitting the button in the bottom right corner of the video so you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Here is the trade. All right, so here's the thing with these trades. I've made very objective rules about how these trades need to set up, how we take the trades, how we set our stop, how we manage the trade, and all that kind of stuff. And I've made these rules for one reason, right? It's to help our members, to help them with the decision about taking a trade, not taking a trade, what to do, and all that. Just to make it dead simple and easy for them, okay? So here we go. As with all of our trades, everything is about support resistance, whether you're micro scalping or position trading. It doesn't matter. You have to be, we don't trade unless we're at a level. In this case, I bring the 4-hour chart up. We use the 4-hour, we use the daily 4-hour, and we use the hourly, and then we use the 5-minute for entry. But really, it's the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 5-minute. And this level, I mean, I think most people can see that that was a pretty good level of support. In fact, let's scroll this out. Just have a look at it. I mean, there's a lot of reactions off of this level here. Super good. Now, is it going to react? Well, we don't know. But because we have strict rules, if I go down to actually, let me show you something on the hourly chart first. When it came up to this line, that's the same line, by the way, but this is on an hourly chart now. See this candle here? That's a pin bar reversal. That's actually an ACAT setup. That is a really good setup all by itself, and it was perfect. And you could have taken it because of that, or in our case, we took it because it was a London close trade setup. We had a stretched range. This, like, here's where we start looking for the trades. This is a time window that we have. This is a very specific objective way that this swing has to set up. And the sell on this thing was way up here. And I'm not making that up because it, that's as high as it went. If you got the course, you know what I'm talking about. You know why the sell was here. This had an 11 pip stop. That's the thing about these. Like, you don't need a big account to start. Like 11 pips with one micro lot is $1.10. So you could do a couple of them, right? And just start getting the hang of it and start getting into it. It's going to take a bit of time to recognize these in real time, but we've got a great community of traders that have been starting to take these trades, so it's awesome to see. But with 11 pip risk, this is like over 2 to 1 now on a very low volatility pair. Super easy trade, not difficult, and like I say, seeing members take it was like very cool. So yeah, I think I'll just leave it at that. But that was the setup, and the result you can see was a really nice trade here, and that was on the New Zealand US dollar pair. Another winning trade. By the way, I want to tell you something. These trades have been very close to 90% accurate, and I know you might be rolling your eyes going, oh yeah, right. I'm telling you, that's just how they've worked out. And I don't know if you guys remember when Shirley Hudson and I first put this course out in 2010. That was like her accuracy was about like that all the time. Okay, it might be slightly under 90%, slightly over. It just hovers around there, using the rules that I lay out in the course, of course, specifically the trade management rules, because they're just, without those, you won't get that kind of accuracy. But that's historically what it's done. Okay, so there you go. Nothing more to add, really, except to say that if you're still struggling with your trading, this is an approach that it's accurate. It has good reward to risk. It occurs reasonably frequently, probably on average maybe 3 times a week. It may not be that often. Sometimes it's more. And the nice thing, it doesn't require a big trading account to get started. Okay, I have put a link in the text below this video or in the email that you received where you can get more information on the London close trade strategy. Okay, thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your week.